Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the battery draining and the screen on time expectations in the Poco F3 GT device. So this video, I'll try to show you what is the screen on time I'm getting in this phone and how much battery draining can happen overnight. Like before sleeping and after waking up, I did take the screenshot and I'll try to show you exactly all the statistics about this Poco F3 GT, how much screen on time you can actually expect. So this is my, I think, day 3 of using this Poco F3 GT device. So I did do the day 1 and day 2 testing with this Poco F3 GT, and I did came into the conclusion that this phone has got slightly better kind of battery backup. I do know the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity. That's another good advantage. But let me try to show you exactly how much screen on time you can actually expect in this Poco F3 GT device. First, let's talk about the screen on time first, and then let's talk about the battery draining results. Right now the battery percentage is about 45%, as you can see, 45%, not bad. And the screen on time, I got about 4 hours and 52 minutes of screen on time, as you can see friends. And during this time of intense kind of testing I did do, if you watch my previous videos on the Poco F3 GT, once the phone got charged to 100%, I did start to do all the Antutu benchmark test and Geekbench, CPU throttling test, gaming test, speed test comparison every time. So during these comparisons and everything, I need to keep the brightness minimum up to 50 or 60 or sometimes 70 as well. This is my average brightness every time when I try to record the video. So during this time of intense testing as well, still I got about close to 4 hours and 52 minutes. Try to consider maybe 5 hours. So overall in my experience, I'm saying maybe it might come close to 6 to 8 hours in the time of screen on time we can expect in this Poco F3 GT. But remember friends, this might just, I think, all based upon only day 1 and day 2 results only. I don't know, I cannot judge based upon 2 days results, but these few of the users are actually interested to know how is the battery backup in this phone. That is the reason I thought of making a video which might be helpful for them to decide. That's the one thing you should definitely remember. I'll be back again after 5 days, maybe after 1 week of using this phone, again talking about the battery backup and how much screen on time I'm getting and how much we can actually expect. Next thing, let's talk about the overnight battery draining test. So how much battery can be actually drained overnight? That's what I'm going to exactly show you. Let me try to show you the screenshot which I'm taken before sleeping. Yes. So this is a screenshot which I have taken at night, 12:48, as you can see friends, 12:48 a.m. And the battery percentage was about 51% during the night time before sleeping. Before sleeping, 51% exactly. And let me try to show you what is the battery percent in the morning. In the morning it decreased to 46% of the battery, as you can see. And the screen on time at night time was about 4 hours and 47 minutes. You can see here friends clearly. And the screen on time now will be about 4 hours and 52 minutes. As you can see now, the screen on time this much. So I'm trying to show you the screen on time as well. I did not use the phone very long time to drain the battery. So maybe if I get any kind of messages or any kind of calls, that's it in the middle, but not much. This is a complete overnight draining test which happened friends. And I think the battery dropped by 5% for 7 hours of usage. So right now it's 14 hours and in the night time it's 7 hours. So overall for 7 hours of time, the battery dropped by 5% for 7 hours. That's kind of slightly more, but still I'm not saying that's kind of draining a lot, but just give me some time. I'll try to do another draining test results and I'll be back. But overall during the night time for 7 hours, 5% got decreased. So in an average for 7 hours, I used to see close to 3% decreasing in the battery draining overnight. That's the one thing which in my experience, I'm trying to say that like that. But still, I'll try to do more testings on this phone and then I'll try to come back. And during this time, there is one single SIM card in this phone and there is no internet connection enabled, no Wi-Fi connection enabled. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So don't worry friends, I'll be back again with the overnight draining test results and screen on time results as well. This is just a basic initial impressions only. Don't consider this as a complete final conclusion of myself. If I say the final conclusion, I'll try to mention in the video. These are my final thoughts. I'll try to mention, but I'm not mentioning right now because I don't want to come into conclusion only without using much of the Poco F3 GT. So let's give some time to me friends, so then I'll try to able to make more videos and more testings and more battery draining results. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the playlist which I have created for the Poco F3 GT users. So this playlist will give you the clear idea friends what is happening with the phone, and in case if you have any other doubt, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.